Swiftly got cussed out by American KFC workers.
In Jamaica, this is best. Here is.
Hey, let me hold on. Wait a minute now. You ain't gonna bring your island ass over here in America and tell us about our food trash when you can take your ass back to Jamaica.
You own the KFC you picking up for them?
I own America.
You don't own shit here.
I own everything.
Shut up, man. I get back to your work.
I own the bitches and the niggas.
You own the bitches and the niggas? You don't own me.
I own your bitch and you.
Shut up.
You gonna give me back my money. There this is.
Hey.
After too long and more people are coming after me and I get you and I come out.
Has the loan have price on their receipt?
Give me phone, me go blood clot, me and one corner. Hold this here, man. Keep it at any kind of phone, me come out and blood clot. Now hold up my time, brother.
Everybody, KFC, come back with them, you know. KFC, come back with them, so the KFC open, you know, it have refill again. Bombard.